Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing car mats to the Camaro, to the Stormtrooper, or the 5th gen Camaro. If you guys don't know about this channel, I do have a 5th gen Camaro that is called the Stormtrooper. I do have a 6th gen Camaro. We don't have a name for that one yet, but I modify both and I make videos on both, so stay tuned. A lot of things coming out for both of the cars. But anyway, for today's video, like I said, we're going to be installing the custom interior car mats, which are also the sponsor for this video. If you guys don't know who Kustom Interior is, it's a company online where you could get car mats such as the ones we're getting right now for any type of vehicle, most likely American muscle, but I do think they have a little bit more variety outside that, such as trucks and stuff. And they also have seat covers. I do have a video with the Kustom Interior seat covers for the 6th gen. Go ahead and check it out. Those came amazing. So I couldn't wait and get some car mats for myself for the Stormtrooper, which is what we're going to be doing now. Now, I do have some car mats in my car currently from Lux's Mats. And, you know, they're a little beat up. I mean, they go where your shoes go, and then stickers and whatnot. So they're a little ripped. The pattern, I feel like the pattern I got from Kustom Interior is going to look a lot better. And I'm really excited to go ahead and open these up and see the quality and install them for you guys. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Alright guys, so as always, we're going to follow the same dynamic. I already gave you a little intro. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, check the quality. I'm going to go ahead and install them, and then give you a final review of the thoughts and how it fits and all that. So let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so the first thing we get is going to be one of the sides. This looks to be the passenger side right here. As you guys can see, it's a honeycomb pattern. Now in the back, it does have these little things right here, so you can, and I'll show you a little close up, but this pretty much, you put them in the trims and it keeps the mat pretty much up straight and without movement. Now just touching this, I'm not sure, but it don't look like it's just leather like the Lux's mats. And I'm sorry if I keep comparing to Lux's mats. I mean, I love those mats, but I'm just liking these a little bit better. So it looks like, I don't know if you can hear it, it's a rough texture. It looks almost like a Velcro. So my thought is that maybe when you put it in the carpet, it's not going to let it slide out, because the whole part is just Velcro. So that's a pretty sweet touch right there that the other mats don't have. I can also see, apart from how a little bit more durable they are, I do see, and I'll show you a close up, but there's like really cool buttons here that gives you a little nice touch. So, and I'll show you that. I know you can't see it, you're pretty far away, so I'll just leave that and just keep going. And alright, and now we go with the second portion, which is going to be this one right here. This is going to be the driver's side, and pretty much same concept. It does have a little bit extra padding right here that does seem to be a lot more durable here, and the buttons as well, and you also get the Velcro. So there you go guys, this is pretty much the unboxing. Alright guys, well, I'm going to go ahead and bring you up here a little bit, that way you can see the stitching, a little bit of the Velcro and the buttons. That's pretty much all for this product. Now, as you guys can see, this is it for the packaging. Some people might be concerned that the rear of the car is not included with the mats. Now, that is something that I don't know myself. I'm going to go ahead and contact Kustom Interior and ask them if that's usually included, or if maybe they missed a package. You know, maybe I had to get 2 boxes and they left 1. I have no idea guys. So I'll go ahead and get that out for you guys to check out. And I will, on the installation portion, if there is a back that goes in there, I will let you know. If I missed a package, I'll go get it and install that right there and then. But I'll give you that information once we get out there in the installation and I have enough time to talk to the company. So alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and bring you over here. Alright, so this is the mats right here. As you guys can see, this is the thickness of the mat. Pretty much keeps the shape pretty good. This is also the padding I was telling you about. So this is where your shoe normally goes, and then right here is where your pedals will go. So very nice touch here. Have a little padding there. Also, what's very cool, like I was telling you, the buttons that hold pretty much these flaps. I love those little details. That's what makes their product great, whenever they care about the small details like that. And then going to the back side, which is the same thing, you will get the Velcro. And this Velcro is going to keep the mat pretty much stuck to the car, and it's going to be a very different experience, because the current mats I have right now, they kind of tend to slide around a little bit too much. So hopefully that problem is solved with these mats. Also, we can look at this right here, the stitchings and the pattern of the mat itself. I think it gives it a lot more modern look, and it's really what I'm going after. So these mats are going to be perfect for that. Now we can see the flaps. These flaps pretty much go under the trim, and what that's pretty much going to do is going to keep everything nice and secured, and also molded to the car. So there you go, guys. This is pretty much all for this mat. There's nothing complicated to it. Let's go ahead and install them. That's going to be on the next portion. Alright guys, well, welcome to the installation portion. Like I said, it's going to be a pretty quick installation. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and vacuum all this debris, and then we're going to go ahead and put the new mats and see how they look. So while I'm vacuuming, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit more information on this product. So basically on this product, the only thing you're going to get is the front portion of the mats. The rear is not included, so make sure you account for that, and you know that when you're purchasing these, you're only getting the front portion. Now for me, no one really gets to see the back portion. Camaros really just have the back portion as a design, or maybe just as a flex, but realistically no one fits in there anyway. So the front portion is where the main thing is at, and this product only comes with the front. If you do want to get both portions, the front and the back, other companies do sell those mats as well, but they do tend to be a little bit more expensive. So if you're super worried about that, maybe a different company is the best for you. However, for most of us, the front is really all we care about. So just keep that in mind. That's probably the only flaw to this product. I feel like if we had a choice of front and back, or both, would be great. However, this is how the company decided to go. So just letting you know that you are only getting the front portion. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and put our mats. Make them fit nice and snug. So let's see. Now this little strip should fit perfectly with the stock seats, but as you recall, I have modified seats, or aftermarket, so we could just slide this in here for me, and it still looks pretty good. Now as you guys can see, we do have these little straps right here, or tabs. We're just gonna go ahead and kind of insert them like this, make everything fit nice and good. Now what you can also do is tuck it in, and that would also look pretty good as well. So pretty much simple as that. You make it fit however you want it. The Velcro really helps to stick, so make sure you kind of just place your hand on it like this. Make sure all the Velcro gets stuck wherever you want it. So right here, and that right there is a perfect installation. Pretty easy, as you guys saw, and the Velcro helps it stick to the carpet. Let's go ahead and do the other side. And as you guys saw, it was fairly quick, fairly easy. And I also feel like this design matches the car a little bit better. It's the same colors as the mats I had before, but I don't know, these little buttons do add a little bit of style to there. And also the way it's shaped, which is the honeycomb, kind of, I don't know, adds a little bit more futuristic style to it compared to the diamond. So I actually like these. I do feel like it's a little upgrade, even though again it's the same color of mats, but I'm sure people would be able to tell the difference just the way it looks. And again, what I really love is the back, how it's Velcro, because now I don't have to be putting that much clips or anything like that. Pretty much just tuck that as much as I could, some clips, and as you guys can see, it won't move anywhere. I can't move it. You see, just with hitting it won't move. Let me go ahead and show you the other side. Alright guys, before I show you that, don't forget this is my Instagram. Go ahead and follow me there, a lot more content there. And here you go guys, this is the custom interior car mats for the Camaro. Now remember, it comes with just the fronts. The back still kind of the old one I had. As you can see, this is the old design compared to that one. I kind of like that one better. You see, there's this one, there's that one. I like that a lot better, but I'm obviously going to keep these on the back since they didn't come included. Might as well keep them and have something to kind of match. No one gets in the back anyway. But there you go guys, this is the installation, the review. I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro. There you go guys, there you guys have the video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. That very helps a lot. Also, there's a lot more things coming to this channel guys. I know I've been a little bit dead. Life has gotten on the way, super busy, but I do have some cool content coming to this channel. 6th gen, 5th gen, stay tuned because it's coming. Also, I want to give a special thanks again to Kustom Interior for sponsoring this video, helping out in this build. And as you guys can see, this build has come a long way. Carbon fiber everywhere. There's a lot more stuff coming though, so stay tuned and I'll see you on the next video.